Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're not getting alerts from the Chase app and when money leaves your account or when payment is due, you could be missing really important transactions. Here's how to turn Chase notifications back on. First, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and go to apps and find Chase app in the app list and tap on it. Then tap notifications and make sure you allow notification is toggled on. Also, make sure the alert style is set to banners or alerts, not none. After checking iPhone settings, open the Chase app itself and then tap on the menu or profile icon and go to settings or notification inside the Chase app. Chase has its own separate notification controls inside the app. Make sure your transaction alerts, payment reminders, and security alerts are all switched on in there too. Both iPhone level and in app notifications need to be on for Chase's alert to reach you. After turning both of them on, go ahead and sign out of Chase app and sign back in to refresh the connection. So all you've got to do is go to your iPhone settings, find Chase, turn on notification, then also check inside the Chase app for its own alert settings. Both need to be on. Subscribe for more Chase app tips.